Good morning, Junior 4. I'm Miss Fatma Abdul Rauf Hamadnallah, and I will teach you science this year. Hope to enjoy studying science with me. In the last video, we discussed collisions in cars, right? Today, you need to know that there are two types of collisions in cars. Collision in the opposite direction, which causes more damage, and collision in the same direction, which causes less damage. Okay? Now, let's discuss another example of a collision. Collision in Newton's cradle. What happens when a Newton's cradle ball is raised up? It stores potential energy and has no kinetic energy. Okay? But what happens when you release the ball? The potential energy decreases gradually and transforms into kinetic energy. Okay? Most of the kinetic energy in Newton's cradle is transferred from the first ball to the rest of the balls. As a result, the number of balls moving on both sides is equal. Why? Or give a reason. Because some of the kinetic energy of the first ball is converted into other forms of energy, such as 1. Sound energy. It produced during the collision between the balls. Okay? 2. Thermal energy. It is produced due to friction between the string and other parts of Newton's cradle. Okay? Finally, we conclude that some of the kinetic energy converted into other forms of energy. Why? Or give a reason. Due to the friction of air with the balls during their movement. Okay, what happens if you leave the moving balls of Newton's cradle long enough? Their kinetic energy gradually decreases until they come to a stop. After all this, we need to understand what happens after a collision. Energy transfers occur, and energy changes occur, okay? For example, during a collision between two objects, what happens when you are running down the street without looking in front of you and hit a traffic signpost? Of course, you will stop moving forward, and you may bounce off and get hurt. The traffic sign may vibrate, right? So, what are the changes and transfers of energy that take place? 1. The kinetic energy transfers from your body to the traffic sign, causing it to vibrate. And this is give, a reason, question. 2. A part of the kinetic energy changes into sound energy. This is the sound you hear after the collision. Okay? That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.